In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money to and from the Philippines using Wise. Let's dive in and walk through this process step by step. First, go ahead and open up your web browser and go to the Wise homepage. You'll be greeted with their clean and intuitive interface. Once you're there, look for the Send button and give it a click. This button will take you to the starting point of your money transfer journey. Next, you'll need to select the region you want to send money to. For this demonstration, let's say you want to send money to the United States. Choose the US from the list of options. After that, it's time to type in the amount you wish to send. Take a moment to double check and ensure that your figures are accurate, as this is a crucial part of the process. Once you've entered the amount, click on the Add Recipient button. At this stage, you'll need to identify or find the recipient through Wise. Look for the option Find on Wise Bank Details and click on it. Wise then presents all available options, and here it's best to click on See All Options. This action will give you the flexibility to choose the best method for your specific needs. Now, let's proceed to pay by email. Clicking on this option will streamline the process, especially if you're sending money to someone who already has a Wise account. After selecting Pay by Email, you'll need to specify who you're sending the money to. So, click on Someone Else. This action will guide you to enter the recipient's email address. Make sure to type it correctly to avoid any delays. The next detail to input is the full name of the account holder. This step is crucial for verifying the recipient's identity and ensuring that the funds are correctly allocated. Once you've entered the full name, click on Continue. This will take you to the part where you explain the reason for your transfer. It's important to select an appropriate option that describes the purpose of your transaction. After choosing the reason, click on Continue to move forward. You're almost done at this point. Next, you'll see a Confirm and Send button. Clicking this will finalize the initial setup. Before finishing up, you'll be prompted to enter your password. This step acts as an additional security measure to protect your account and funds. Once you've entered your password, click on Done to complete the process. And there you have it. If you want to send money to the Philippines instead, simply choose the Philippines as your region and follow the same steps. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide makes your Wise money transfer experience seamless and straightforward.